How to buy KEK token on Metamask. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, first of all, make sure to open this token in CoinMarketCap and now go to contracts and copy the token address as you can see. Now remember, this token is under Solana network. Now before that, make sure to add Solana network to your Metamask. After that, you can now buy it. Now what we need to do, it's not by going directly to Metamask, but we will need to use a bridge. That bridge, it's called Radium. Now click on it to be able to buy it from here. Now after that, click on trade in Radium. Now as you can see, after you open the Radium, now you need to connect your wallet. I just click on cancel. I will disconnect my wallet from here. Now after that, connect your wallet and select the Metamask. So after you add the Solana network to your Metamask, you will see your Metamask like that. Now click on it. Now wait a few seconds to be able to connect your Metamask wallet to your Radium. Now click on continue. Now a solve layer wallet or pop-up, it will appear. As you can see, the Radium is connected to Metamask finally. Now click on connect as you can see, and now go back and open the Solana wallet. Now here you will be able to buy this token, but this after you add the Solana network to Metamask. So as you can see, the Metamask is connected to our Radium. Now after that, what we need to do, we have two options. Even we can buy it from here. Now I will close it. So as you can see, or here too. Now paste the token address. Now go back to your CoinMarketCap, copy the token address. Now go to Radium and paste the token address as you can see, but make sure you have selected the Solana network from here. Now click on KEK and add it like that. Now after that, view the list and now search for a KEK or go back and you will see it here. Now here enter how much of Solana you want to buy with, and for example this is it and this is how much you will receive. Now because I don't have enough Solana on my Metamask, I can see here the swap. Now for you, you will see the swap here. Now if you want to buy it on Solana wallet, is the same. Just click on swap as you can see, and now here click on switch. Now make sure you have enough Solana on your Solana wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. It's easy and simple. As you can see, the KEK token will be appear here at just a few seconds. As you can see, this is our KEK token. Just click on it and here enter how much you want to buy, and after for a few seconds you will be see how much you will receive of that token, the 384 billion of that token. Now after that, make sure to read all of that information and click on swap. So this is how to buy the KEK token on Metamask. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.